Iinkcukacha-manani zamvanje ezikhutshwe yi-Statistics South Africa zibonisa ukuba izinga longaqeshwa ngokusemthethweni linyuke ngo-1.3% lusuka ku-31.4% kwikota yesine yonyaka ophelileyo laya kuma ku-32.7% kwikota yokuqala ka-2026. Uphando lokuqala lolo nyaka lubonisa ukuba inani labantu abaqeshiweyo lehle ngo-347,000 laya ku-16.8 yezigidi. Logama inani labantu abangaphangeliyo linyuke ngo-301,000 laya ku-8.1 yezigidi. Ukuhla kwamathuba emisebenzi kubonakala kumacandelo ezothutho, iinkonzo zoluntu nolwakhiwo. Ukuhlala ke kuba kula manani athetha ukuthini kuzinzo loqoqosho nolwentlalo kweli lizwe kunye nosekela mlawuli jikelele obambeleyo kwicandelo leenkcukacha-manani zoluntu nezentlalo kwa-Statistics South Africa, esithetha ngaye ke mbukeli umnumzana uSoli Mulaye. Mnumzana Mulaye, masibulise sikwamkele SABC Lihayi sibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho.
Good morning and good morning to the viewers.
Ndiyafuna ukuqonda kuba kaloku xa sithetha ngezi statistics asithethi nje ngezi-statistics kodwa ngabantu. Ingaba mhlawumbe imbi kangakanani imeko yentswela-ngqesho eMzantsi Afrika?
So the numbers that we have released this quarter, it reflects what is happening between January and March when coming to employment and unemployment in South Africa. So to your point, we are seeing an unemployment rate have increased by 1.3% when you compare to the previous quarter, which is quarter 4. And largely in quarter 1, if you compare with the previous years, quarter 1 is where we are seeing a lot of new entrants. So new entrants, we're referring to your matriculants who applied to go to universities, they couldn't get the space, and they get into what we call it the labor force. So they're actively looking for a job. Then you have graduates who completed their degree, their diploma, and they are now actually looking for a job. And now that is the reason why you're seeing about a high number of youth that are actually actively looking for a job. But at the same time, in quarter 4, companies, especially in the tourism sector, your restaurant and also your hotels, December they were hiring the contract workers because of the December rush. And January, because of now the December rush has actually went down, those were in a contract basis just up until December. So there's a combination of many things. That's the reason why we are noticing a high number in this quarter. And it's always been the case even with the previous years.
Mnumzana uSoli, siyathanda nje into yokubana siyaqonda into yokubana udliwano-ndlebe lubaluleke kakhulu. Uzame nje into yokubana ubani uboleka napha kulwimi lwesintu ukuze nababukeli bethu bakwazi ukuluva olu dliwano-ndlebe. Siyaqonda mhlekazi into yokubana iphondo elitshotshe-ntla liphondo laseMntla Koloni eNorthwest. Phaya siyazibuza into yokubana kanjani kuba kaloku kukhona i-mining eqhubekayo kwiphondo lase-Northwest.
Yes. So how sheba Northwest we compare the province studying. Northwest ki province loring, it's got what we call it mining towns. And mining as a sector, even if you look at it from the economy side, is one of the sectors that loring they perform bill compared to the other sectors. So we are starting to see Northwest having a high number of unemployment rate, and also what we call it a combined rate, which is previously we used to call it a expanded unemployment rate. So because of our economic hubs in South Africa, they are basically Western Cape and Gauteng. How do you compare those, what we call them rural provinces? You see in those rural provinces, discouraged job seekers, meaning because of the reasons that more so South Africa is still in the same migration patterns even since 1994. And that's what we are noticing also ka di-number tsa rona gore di-province tsa go tshwana le Limpopo le Mpumalanga le bo Northwest di na le batho ba bangata ba loreng ke discouraged jobs, because you can imagine go tla mo Gauteng o tlo batlana le mosebetsi and le economy e loreng e gola ka percentage e loreng ke 1%, ga e re fe spaces sa gore ka absorb batho ba bangata, because o tlamehile gape o understand gore South Africa is a very youthful country. So batho ba bangata ba le teng South Africa ke ba loreng re ba classify gore ke youth. And as they are graduating from the school and everything, they are getting into the labor market. Ba batlana le mosebetsi. And I think ke yona challenge re na leng yona, and ra e bona le ko Northwest gore that's the case.
Inzima kakhulu lento mhlekazi wami kuba kaloku phakathi kwezi nkcukacha manani siye safumanisa into yokubana kukhona nabanye abathe bayeka emsebenzini. Ingaba mhlawumbe ngokophando lwenu nifumanise into yokubana izizathu zabantu into yokubana bayeke emsebenzini kuba siye sakrobiseka bambi besisho into yokubana omnye ufumanisa into yokubana ufumene umsebenzi qha ngenxa into yokubana funeka ejonge abantwana okanye i-family responsibilities. Ndiyafuna nje into yokubana usikrobisele into yokubana iinkcukacha manani zabantu abathe bayeke emsebenzini zimephi kwaye izizathu enithena zifumanisa kuphando zithini?
Yes. So if you look at the numbers the way they are, as I already mentioned, that we have about 4.9 million people. Ba re ba classifyang hore ba re ba outside labor force. Ba na le di-reasons tse ngata. One of the biggest reason e re tholang ke e ne ke buleng ka yona ya hore ke discourage job seekers, meaning ga ba sa tlhole ba batla ba lositse hope ya go batlana le mosebetsi. And that number, it actually have increased how we compare the previous quarter. It moved from 3.6, now it is go 3.9 million. So then hona le ba bang ba ba loreng, for example, the students ba loreng in quarter 4 hana ba kwala di exam, they will look for a job although ga ba available because of ba sa kwala di exam. Then hona le ba loreng, to your point, o fetsa o kra ngwana monyane and then o sa batla go mo godise, that person ga available, but it doesn't mean gore ha mosebetsi ka ba teng a ka setse mosebetsi because o sa still sa batla go ira di arrangement go gae gore ba khone sa isa ba. So hona le the range of reasons why people of ha ba sebetsi, but the biggest one ke ya discouragement, because inale how we share, we break it down, we share ka di age ba bangata ke youth. And ke yona e lo reng I think ke challenges as South Africans, all of us re dile ka yona. The other thing ke gore the official number e re bolella gore ke 8.1 million, but how double botlhe ba lo reng di discouraged job seekers le ba lo reng ga ba available, but available but not seeking, e irisa ko 3 million ya batho ba lo reng ga ba sebetse. So because of the National Development Plan, e re bolella gore re track official unemployment rate. That's why we always release the numbers tse ithutse gore the policy makers and everybody mo South Africa ba aware gore ha re bua ka labor market re bua ka all these the indicators tse tsotlhe, including hape le engwe e re reng re bitsa not in education, not in trade, and not in employment. E ra gore gona le batjha ba rona ba lo reng ga ba dikolong ga ba sebetse. And for the past 8 years, the Rebona number ele fluctuated between 3.4 to 3.6. Ka quarter A, it registered 3.9. I think e ke yona re tlhalosetsang pila gore gona le ba na rona ba banyane ba ba reng ba tsoga go seng ga bana mosebetsi ene ga ba go dikolong gape. Yona again ke yona gape re bona gape ba dutse go di rural areas and then some ba teng gape le mo Gauteng.
Sithetha ngabantu apha ayizo statistics nje kuphela, and ndiyafuna ukuqonda kuba kaloku nihamba amaphondo ohlukileyo nendawo ezahlukileyo nakwindawo ezisemaphandleni. Mhlambe ungathi ningu-Stats SA nisebenzisa njani ezobuchwepheshe, that is i-digital yes manje uqinisekisa into yokubana niyakwazi ukuza ne-accurate calculations?
No, re tlamehile re change. So rena as Statistical South Africa re startile go make sure gore le rona re change the way re collectang ka information. Ha ne re starta go ira collection ya rona from 1996 ga o sheba census ya rona ne re ira a paper base, and over time re now re na le di smart devices mo re ra collector. Se seng hape se re sirang gore re batla go make sure gore information re collectang ha se information e dulang fela le rona di statistician, but then everyone o loreng go gae a shebileng lenano le tlamela a be le access ya information. So the dissemination tools tsa rona, the websites tsa rona, including also mo social media, because re mo social media, so re try to make sure gore everyone o ba le access le information, so that statistics as is not about just numbers. These are our sisters, these are our brothers, this is our aunt, and this actually is reality ya everyone along South Africa in terms of the labor market.
And ndiyafuna uqonda ezi nkcukacha manani kuba njengoba usitsho into yokubana niyamemelela urhulumente for policy recommendations. Ingaba mhlawumbe inalo uxinzelelo elibekayo okanye i-pressure iyayinikeza kwi-policy makers zoMzantsi Afrika?
So rona, our role is to ensure that we collect what we call it a good quality statistics.
Yes.
Because we believe that for rona as South Africa, we understand the progress in thing, whether o sebedisa NDP or whether o sebedisa the SDG indicators. It's really important that Statistics South Africa will put the numbers quarterly. It's labor statistics. Yesterday we also went to Parliament. We had a budget vote around the work area Statistics South Africa to ensure that we have funding. And all the MPs that supported the vote, it became clear for religious speeches they were actually quoting some of the numbers that were. So the workshop with the policymakers interact with the stakeholders, including the NGOs, the students. The other thing that data is statistics free. Hare rekisi, hare fetso collect the information because reverikisa chelete state, which is the tax money. So we make sure that data is available for the students that run the PhD, the masters. Or get information by put a life into it in terms of drilling into it and writing their thesis and also their PhD, because that's the only way we can build the knowledge, and then also making sure our youth also they're becoming part and parcel you change the policy dimension and also the programs that need to be targeted, especially when we're talking about the young ones in this case.
And yayithanda nalento ibalulayo Mhlekazi uSoli into yokubana benise parliament indaba ukuze nifumane inkxaso mali kwindaba ye budget vote. Kodwa apha siyaqaphela into yokubana njengokuba utshilo ngaphambili into yokubana phakathi kwabantu ababalwayo apha ngabantu esibonayo into yokubana baphelelwe lithemba, discouraged job seekers. Inani liyathusa kakhulu 3.9 kuthiwa linyukile ko-178,000 into ethi bona baphalelwe lithemba abayi ngamva abayi phambili.
Yes, indeed. The discouraged job seekers, if you look at it at the number, yes, I agree, it's 3.9 million. But what the story that it tells, how we sheba now we apply the gender lens. Now, actually our African, especially African females, are more vulnerable to unemployment. Again, youth so something around the discouraged job seekers to ensure we encourage absorb that into our labor market. How we share NDP, which is our Bible as South Africans, it reveals that 2030, we reduce the unemployment by 6%. We are only left with about 4 years or so. So, the program and policies and interventions that can increase the reduce unemployment. But the only way we can do it is economic grow at the rate NDP which is 5%. Currently, we are just hovering around 1%. And the sectors are already important. Again, reference to Northwest, mining, again, agriculture, manufacturing, construction. Those are the sectors that already do more. How do you from economic? The primary sector, the secondary sector. The sector that already harika hola ka rate ya kuhudimo. And that's when now our discouraged job seekers and then our youth will be part of the labor force.
Yeah. Mhlekazi uSoli ubalula indaba yokuba lento funeke sijonge ngegender lens. Usitsho into yokubana amanina ngawo abonakala ngathi athwaxwa kakhulu ngulo mcimbi wentswelangqesho. Ndiyafuna uqonda into yokubana mhlawumbe izizathu kuba phakathi kwezinto ezikhilekileyo kukuba ii-sectors ezifana no-transport, social services ne-construction sectors zizo ezibonakala ngathi zithwaxwa kakhulu. Ingaba mhlawumbe izizathu sokuba sibona amanina ingaba kuba mhlawumbe ezi sectors sizawuthi zi-male dominated?
So yes, if you share the numbers that those sectors indeed o thola batho ba bontate ka bongata. And how sheba the sector tse loreng di lositse di job in this round, your social services. Ke mo loreng how we break it down, ba tlo sheba ka gender lens. O tlo wa bona gore mostly ke the females are actually employed in that particular industry. Ke industry loreng ena le the teachers. Ke industry loreng ena le the social workers. Ke industry loreng ena le the what do you call it, the social workers. Key industry loreng government ya operate mo yona, especially at the province level, how sheba the EPWP program. So it loses about 200,000 jobs for this quarter. So hence how sheba unemployment rate arsa sheba fela at the average level, at the national level. How we break it down, re ka gender lens. Ke mo ba no start to understand gore why unemployment rate for the black African women is even higher than the national one. So it also explain some of the stats that are already released in the previous report. Moloreng rabona gore in the family setup, our female, especially African female, are the ones who actually are looking for the household tsa rona. Tse loreng dinale average, in terms of average household, in about 3 to 4 members in the household. So ha me as a sebetsi ka mo gae, it means there's a huge burden in terms of financial burden. And I think that is why we're seeing a need, that's why there's a need for us to ensure that these sectors they can absorb as many African women so that they can make sure they will release the burden in the household.
And hopefully, xa sekufika u-2030 noko sizawubona inkqubela phambili kwintswelangqesho kuba ndizawuhlala ndiyiphinda-phinda into yokubana ayingomanani ngabantu abasithetha ngabo. Mhlekazi Soli, masibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho ngokuba usikrobisele kule ngxoxo ibaluleke kangaka. Enkosi kakhulu. Right, mbukeli we-SABC Lihaye besidla nindlebe naye usekela mlawuli jikelele obambeleyo kwicandelo le-Statistics South Africa, yena kaloku mbukeli umnumzana uSoli Mulayi, ngokumbukeli sawuhlabela mgama.